How do military confinement facilities differ from civilian prisons? Imagine a setting where discipline, security, and order are maintained with military precision. This environment is quite different from the typical civilian prison system, which operates under a different set of rules and standards. Understanding these differences can shed light on how each system functions and the unique roles they serve. Military confinement facilities are designed specifically for members of the armed forces who are accused of or convicted of violations of military law. These facilities are governed by the Uniform Code of Military Justice, which is a comprehensive legal framework that applies exclusively to military personnel. The primary purpose of military confinement is to discipline service members and maintain order within the armed forces. These facilities are often located on military bases and are operated by military personnel trained in military law and discipline. In contrast, civilian prisons are operated by government agencies at the local, state, or federal level and serve the general population. They house individuals convicted of violating civilian laws and are subject to the legal standards and regulations established by civilian judicial systems. Civilian prisons are designed to rehabilitate, punish, and protect society from individuals who have committed crimes under civilian law. One of the key differences lies in the legal processes involved. Military confinement facilities follow military legal procedures, which include courts-martial, a military court system that handles disciplinary cases involving service members. These courts-martial have their own rules of procedure and evidence, which differ from civilian court proceedings. Civilian prisons, on the other hand, operate within the framework of civilian criminal justice, with trials conducted in civilian courts following established legal procedures. Security measures also vary between the two systems. Military confinement facilities often have strict security protocols tailored to the needs of military personnel, including specialized training for staff and specific procedures for handling military discipline. Civilian prisons may have a broader range of security levels, from minimum to maximum security, and are designed to accommodate a diverse population with different needs. Additionally, the rights and privileges of inmates can differ. Military inmates may have limited access to certain legal rights compared to civilians, but they are also subject to military discipline and regulations that can influence their confinement experience. Civilian inmates are protected by civilian legal rights and have access to legal representation, visitation, and rehabilitation programs. In summary, military confinement facilities are specialized environments tailored to the needs of service members, governed by military law, and focused on discipline within the armed forces. Civilian prisons serve the broader society, operate under civilian legal systems, and aim to rehabilitate and punish individuals convicted of civilian crimes. These distinctions reflected the different roles each system plays in maintaining order and justice within their respective communities.